So this is Linux KaOS, and this is an independent distribution. So this is the latest version, 2025.01. So this is just a quick look of this operating system. So on the welcome page, there's some options here. There's guide, there's a forum, there's documentation. This is passwords. This is about, and this is the package list. So these are all the packages that are going to be installed. I'm going to click on install. This is the language. You can select your language here. It's already set at American English. This is location. This is keyboard layout and settings. So on packages, you can select an option to install or leave the default. So the default option is Calligra, and this is an Office and graphic art suite by KDE. There's also LibreOffice, No Office, and minimal install. I'm going to leave it as default. Here I have to select an audio option to install, Pipewire and Pulse Audio. I'm going to leave it at Pipewire. So this is the partition section. I'm going to select erase disk. I'm going to select swap the file. And for the file system, I'm going to leave it at BTRFS. This is the bootloader option. I'm going to leave it at grub. I have to create a user account. I'm going to select reuse user password as root password. This is a summary of the choices and settings. Okay, installation is complete. I'll restart the system. So on the login screen on session, I can choose VLAN or X11. I'm going to leave it as a VLAN. So this is a system startup page. I can turn this off here. And here I can choose any one of these to personalize the most commonly used settings. There's widget style. This is plasma theme. I'll choose dab theme. This is window decoration. This is mouse behavior. This is icon set. This is virtual desktops. Right now there are 2 virtual desktops. I'm going to add 3 more. So there's screen settings, colors, and font settings. And under here, there's packages, and these are the package groups. I can choose one of the groups to see the various packages each group contains. For example, web browsers, I'll install Chrome. This is email clients, video editors. I'll install OpenShot. This is music players. This is image manipulation. I'll install GIMP. This is Office applications. I'll click on install selected packages. This is wallpaper. And here you can download any one of these. So this is docs, and these are some documentations here. Advanced. This is about, this is news. So on the right side, this is the panel. This is the application launcher. So this is favorites. This is all applications. This is development. This is games. This is graphics. This is internet, multimedia, office. This is system. This is utilities. So on the panel, on the application launcher, there's the lock screen, tool logout screen. This is the sticky note app. This is the calculator. This is the Dolphin file manager. I can show hidden files. I'll create a new folder. This is Qt, the advanced editor. This is Falcon, and this is the web browser. So this program uses Qt version, and the version is 6.8.2. And this is Octopi notifier. So it's telling me I have 257 updates. This is the clipboard contents. This is the volume icon. So this is screen brightness icon. This is a network icon. And this is the status and notifications. This is the date and time. So I'm going to right click the desktop, click on desktop on wallpaper. So I'm going to change the theme from dark to light. I'll right click the panel, and here I can select add or manage widgets. I'll right click the panel again, show panel configuration. I can change the position of the panel. I'll leave the panel at the bottom. I'll right click the panel again, show panel configuration. I'll change the panel height. So I'll open the terminal app. So I'm going to check the kernel version. I'll type uname R. So the kernel version is 6.12. I'll see if htop is installed. Htop is not installed, so I'm going to install htop. I'm going to type sudo pacman s htop. I'll open htop. I'll see if VLC media is installed. So VLC media is not installed. I'll install VLC media player. I'll open VLC. So I'll run a system update. I'll type sudo pacman syu. So it's up to date. So to show a list of packages that I install, I'm going to type this command sudo pacman uppercase q lowercase q. And these are the packages that I installed. So to get a line count of how many packages I installed, I'll add this command pipe wc-l. So it's 1019 packages installed. So I'll open settings. So this is system settings and they are grouped by categories. So I'm going to enable the queue feature. So on apps and Windows, I'm going to select Windows Management. I'll select virtual desktops. So I have 5 virtual desktops. I'm going to select desktop effects. I'm going to scroll down until I see Windows Management. So under Windows Management, I'm going to select Cube. I'll open an app on each of the desktop. So to activate the Cube feature, on the keyboard, I'll hold down the Super key and the C key. And if it's a Windows keyboard, just hold down the Windows key and the C key. So this is Octopi, and this will add and remove software installed in the system. There's also Octopi Notify, Octopi Repository Editor. I'll open the Octopi Repository Editor. So this was just a quick overview of Linux KaOS, and the version is 2025.01. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.